Welcome to Naturalhub. From the cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic to our kitchen shelves, cod liver oil has been a trusted supplement for generations. But what's the real story behind this golden oil? Today, we're diving deep into the truth about cod liver oil. The truth about cod liver oil. Let's start with a bit of history. Cod liver oil has been used for centuries, originally by fishermen in the Nordic regions who relied on it to get through the dark vitamin D deficient winters. It wasn't just a folk remedy. By the 20th century, cod liver oil was medically recommended for preventing rickets and other deficiencies in children. But what exactly is cod liver oil? It's the oil extracted from the liver of codfish and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and vitamin D. Omega-3s are essential for brain function and reducing inflammation, while vitamin A supports the immune system and skin health, and vitamin D is crucial for bone health. With such potent nutrients, the benefits of cod liver oil are impressive. Studies have shown it can support heart health, reduce inflammation in joints, enhance vision, and even improve mental health. Taking cod liver oil daily has significantly eased my joint pain, and I feel more energetic throughout the day. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Cod liver oil can have drawbacks such as high levels of vitamin A, which can be toxic in large doses. Consumers should be cautious about their dosage. Too much vitamin A can lead to vitamin toxicity, potentially harming bones and liver. So, how do you choose the right cod liver oil? Look for brands that are third-party tested for purity and freshness. And when it comes to using cod liver oil, moderation is key. A typical dose is just 1 teaspoon per day. To sum up, cod liver oil is a powerful supplement with centuries-old roots. Whether you're looking to boost your vitamin intake or improve overall health, it might just be worth considering. Just remember to keep an eye on your dosage and choose a reputable brand. Thanks for watching. For more health insights and updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.